Hello, Legends here. How are you doing, guys? Okay, today I'm going to show you how my automated system works. Okay, so this is a capture page. Okay, you can see here free video discover how millions of an average people just like you are changing their life with this duplicable system. Okay, this system, this capture page is to capture those targeted people, those people in who are really interested in this business. Okay, those people who want to change their life, who want to make money, who want to make more money, who want to earn extra income. Okay, so when they come to this page, okay, they will enter their email address. So what you need to do is to drive traffic into this page. Okay, then my system will help you to do all the heavy lifting, help you to do the telling and the selling. Okay, help you to do the recruiting. Okay, so you just need to bring traffic into this system. You get their email address so you can follow up with them automated. Okay, later I will show you. So let's say targeted people, they come here, they enter their email address. Okay, enter their email address, they click watch the video. So they will bring to this page. Okay, step one. Okay, step
Hello,
one.
thank you.
Step one, I will explain to you how my automated system work. Okay, so watch how my automated system work can help you to make money on autopilot. So they come to this place. Okay, they can join my Facebook group. Okay, you can put in your Facebook link here. Okay, so they can join your Facebook group. Only click the button below when you finish watch the above video. Okay, else you will not understand how it work. Okay, so they completed watch this video, so they click this button and continue to step two. Okay, and then step two, my up line, okay, who is
Imagine
a multi-millionaire achiever, he will explain to them why they need to join this business. He will explain the how the marketing plan works. Okay, so that's why I leverage my upline, okay, to do the heavy lifting because he's the multi-millionaire achiever. So he have the influence, okay, he have the power to attract more people to join easily, okay, to join your business. Okay, so we will leverage those who are already succeed. Okay, so they can help you to recruit easily. So here you can see the product demo. Okay, this what
okay, I
happening.
got my graph.
Okay, so I will explain all the copywriting why they need to join this business. Okay, so at the bottom here you'll get my training, okay, my free training, three-step network marketing attraction formula, step-by-step guide how to use attraction marketing to attract endless leads and downline. Okay, and in this training they will learn, you'll learn, okay, three network marketing lies that are keeping people broke. Okay, how to combat lies, three-step attraction marketing formula to build your business effectively. Get your free system to collect your own leads and build your leads. Copy my sales funnel to help you to make money on autopilot in forever living. Okay, this is a sales funnel. This system is a sales funnel. Okay, you can once you join my team, you will get all the complete sales funnel to help you to build this business. Okay, like all the things you see here. Okay, so you can join my Facebook group support also to support you along the way. Okay, so here got a button. If they have any question, they can connect with me on Facebook. They can connect with you on Facebook. Okay, they can join your Facebook group here. You can put in your link here for the testimonial. Okay, this all is a real testimonial, not fake one. Okay, you can you can get big fat champion bonus. Okay, in this company, this is just one of the bonus. Okay, have many more bonus. So they click this enroll now. Okay, so they will bring to this page. Okay, this page is congratulations. I'm so happy that you made a good decision to join us to be the next millionaire. Okay, so they follow the instruction. So to start the business, they need to buy start your journey package. Okay, it's a one-time startup business investment. Okay, no need to renew. Okay, only one time you need to buy this package. Okay, at least 2cc you will get variety of forever living product and business too, including my bonus to become a VIP member, assistant supervisor. Okay, or you can buy any product, accumulate 2cc point in 2 months to become VIP member. So we suggest you start with buy the start your journey package 2cc so you can start to build this business immediately. Okay, you will have 30% discount for your next purchase. Okay, you can start selling product to make money and recruit downline to earn sponsoring bonus. Okay, this start your journey package, we suggest you buy this one. Okay, so From here, they can click this button if they have any questions. So uh, they decided to join, so they can click this button, join attraction marketing team. Okay. Uh, so this page, you can use it or don't want to use it also never mind. Okay. You can use this one. Okay, this one. This link I show you. Okay. Example United States. This person is from the United States. So they come to your website. Okay. Click continue. Okay. So you can use this one. You can use this website. Okay. This is our company website. Okay, with your ID inside. Okay, so this downline will go to you. Okay, see you will see your name here. Okay, so they click this button join. So once they join, they will under your downline. Okay, there's your downline. Okay, so once you collect their email address, you can see from this system. Okay, inside under this contact. Okay, you can see all your email list here. Okay, so once they put in their email address, okay, there will be a email follow-up automated sent to them. Okay, automated email campaign sent to them. Okay, powerful, right? So you see. Okay, so here from here you can see automated campaign. You can see this system will help you to do the follow up. Okay, help you to do the telling and recruiting. Okay, so uh, this email will go out every single day to follow up that with them to send them back to this page to join. Okay, so you see powerful or not this automated system. Okay, so if you want to build a business, you need to use automated system. Okay, the system can work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Even when you are sleeping, the system still working for you to get leads, get those targeted people into this system. So what you need to do daily, every single day, is to bring traffic into this system. Okay, if you have the best product or best business, if no one know it, you will not generate any sales. Okay, so you need to let people know there is a good opportunity exists here. Okay, so you need to drive traffic into this system every single day. Okay, so the more uh lead you get, okay, the more downline you will have. Okay, the more money you will make. So this is a sales funnel. Okay, it's a automated system. Okay, so now you understand how it's work. Okay, if you want to join, contact me. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next training video.